everyone, welcome back. So we got a beauty day today. We got another car meet to go to. What we're gonna do first though is we're gonna go take a couple laps around town. The fair is in town. See if we can get any reactions to it while we're driving. Without that, let's go. What we're gonna do is take the Mustang down. We're gonna see what shows up tonight. By the way, for those asking about speed limits, it's almost too perfect. We're pulling up to the fair, so the fair that we have locally, and we got a red light, so this is even better. We'll do another lap. Why not? This is way too perfect. We got a red light and we got an open path. Alright, we'll stop dinking around like kids and go to the meet that we're actually supposed to go to. So far we got, looks like a couple vehicles here, a couple cars here. Let's go say hi. This is a beautiful red 1969 Dodge Charger with 383 and an automatic transmission. Way back road. This is a gorgeous 2008 Dodge Viper, which comes complete with an 8.1 liter 700 horsepower V10 engine.
I'll tell you, try putting it back in. Is that right? So is that, what is the intake? Is that this is a standard aspirated engine? Oh, well, those are dual throttle. Oh, okay.
And this is a 1929 Ford Model A with a 327 Chevrolet engine in it. Now this is a beautiful red Chevy Nova with a 350 engine, and look at this car. It's just beautiful inside and out. Now this is a gorgeous red Pontiac Trans Am. Now this car has a 472 big block engine in it. And for the final car, this is my 1966 Mustang. Now this car is a 289 automatic car. See you later. Officially at the car meet for the day. Actually had a good turnout, actually. I was quite impressed. And that's how we roll. And with that, that's the end of our car meet for the night. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys stay tuned every week for the car meet videos to drop. We'll see you guys in the next video.